Yeah, so I'm Brad Byrne, and my area of study is communication. Yeah, so my hometown is actually Fairfax Station, Virginia, so 10 minutes down the road. You know, so many of my family members have been here, so it's a very big family tradition. I've always kind of known Mason to be like my hometown university, and I think it was the best decision for me because I made so many great connections. I interned in DC for a semester at a nonprofit, and I wouldn't have had the last 4 years be any other way. I joined the newspaper my first semester as a freshman, so in August of 2019, and I made my own community through that. It honestly was the best decision I ever made because I made so many great lifelong friends and colleagues that I will always be talking to for the rest of my life. Mason always has prided itself on diversity. That was one of the first things I would always hear for orientation and admissions. And I think Mason stayed true to that. With diversity for me, as an editor-in-chief of our newspaper, I made sure to have the most diverse editorial staff that I could have. I think it's just really amazing to get all of those different perspectives because when we're in an editorial meeting, making decisions on stories, I like to have perspectives from everyone across the Mason community because I know that my perspective may not be the same as someone else's, and mine may not always be right. So I always like to hear all of my editorial staff's perspectives on, you know, whether we should publish something or write something a certain way before moving forward with it. And I think that diversity has just always been a part of my Mason experience. Every day, my goal is to tell one person's story to the student body. And if I can accomplish that, then I know that my job has been well done. I think what makes Mason different is that you never know who you're going to meet, and everyone has their own unique story. And I think getting to go to college in such a diverse community has made me a better person, and it's helped prepare me for the next chapter of my life where I'll be heading off to grad school very soon.